Welcome to the Boomers Tech Show, where I show boomers how to use tech to make their lives just a little easier. Now, I make sure that I slow it down. I don't go so fast that you don't understand exactly what I'm saying, like a lot of YouTubers I see nowadays. So we're going to take the time to clearly explain to you how to do the things that you need to do with your devices. So let's get started. So now in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use YouTube, how to subscribe and unsubscribe and check the history. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, if you don't have YouTube already loaded on your system, you go to your app store and then you type in search, you type in YouTube, and now your YouTube is going to come up. Now, since I already have it on my system, it's showing that all I need to do is open it. But if you don't have it on your system, you'll see something that says get, and you just simply tap the get to download it. Now, after you have downloaded it, then you'll want to open it up. You can sign in using your email. So you would simply put your email in here, and then you'll put your password. So now we're going to show you how to subscribe to a channel. So first of all, you want to find a channel. So you go to your search. And since this is my channel, we're going to go to my channel because I want you to subscribe to my channel. So here we're at the Boomers Tech Show. Now you tap on a video. You tap pause it. Bertrand the Tech Man, welcome. Now you see where it says subscribe. You simply tap on the subscribe button. Now you will be subscribed to my channel. If you want to unsubscribe, you simply tap it again, and now you will be unsubscribed. Now, if you want to get notifications, you simply tap on the notification button, and now the notifications will be shown on your screen as well, and you'll get my videos when they come out. We're going to go back to the home screen. So how can you look at what subscriptions that you have? In order to see the subscriptions that you have, you go down here at the bottom, and then you come over to where it says subscriptions, and you tap on it. Now, all of the things that you have subscribed to, if you want to get back to them quickly, they'll be over here. And over here, if you want to unsubscribe to something, you simply tap on it. And then up here in the upper right-hand corner, you tap to unsubscribe. Sometimes you might want to look for a video and you can't find it. Well, in order to find a video, you have to go to your history. So you go to library and you tap on it. And then you go in the top and then you tap on history. Now this is going to show you all of the videos that you have watched, and you can simply select it. Now, how to search for a specific video. To search for a specific video, you go home and then you go to the search, and then you type in the video that you want to search for. I'll just type in cars. Now it's going to give me a video talking about a category talking about cars. Now, suppose you want to look for a specific category, or you want to explore something. So you go home, and then you'll notice in the upper left-hand corner, you got something that says explore. So you tap on it. Now you have different categories that you can look through. For example, what's trending, music, movies, or live screen gaming, or whatever you want to. So you simply tap on it, trending, and then you'll be able to explore various videos that are there. So this has been a video showing you how to use YouTube. If you found value in this video, please give me a like, share, and comment. In the comment section, let me know. What type of videos do you want me to produce for this channel? Thanks for watching the Boomers Tech Show. I'll see you in my next video.